Here are 6 disasters that never had to happen. Chernobyl, 1986. A safety test gone wrong. One missed protocol led to catastrophe. Titanic, 1912. Ignored iceberg warnings and lacked lifeboats. Arrogance sank it. Challenger explosion, 1986. NASA launched despite warnings. It exploded 73 seconds later. The Great Fire of London, 1666, started in a bakery. No fire service to stop it. Exxon Valdez oil spill, 1989. The captain was reportedly drunk. 11 million gallons of oil spilled. Dust Bowl, 1930s. Caused by poor farming that ruined the soil. Nature didn't do it, people did. History's full of what-ifs, but they were avoidable.